Greeting to all of you. Today we're going to study about types of numbers. I am Smart Ugandan. Number one, we have counting numbers or natural numbers. These ones start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so forth. So those are the counting or natural numbers. Now the number 2, we have whole numbers. The only difference between counting or natural numbers and whole numbers is that for them they start from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you continue like with the counting numbers. So the whole numbers, they just begin from 0. Then square numbers. Square numbers, to get them, you just get the whole numbers, then you square them. Get 0 squared is 0. 1 squared is 1. 2 squared is 4. 3 squared is 9. 4 squared is 16. 5 squared is 25. Then 6 squared is 36. Then 7 squared is 49. 8 squared is 64. 9 squared is 81, comma, and 10 squared is 100. So and so forth. Those are the square numbers. Then cube numbers, just get the whole numbers and then give them a power of 3. It's going to be 0 cubed, which is 0. 1 cubed, which is 1. 2 cubed, which is 8. Then 3 cubed. Then 0 cubed, I've got it by multiplying 0 3 times. 0 times 0 times 0, I got 0. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. Then 3 times 3 is 9. Then times 3 is 27. Then 4 times 4 is 16. Then times 4, get 64. Then 5 times 5 is 25. Then times 5, you get 125. Then you continue like that. Those are the cube numbers. You get them by giving the whole numbers a power of 3. Square is multiplying that very number by itself times 2. 0 times 0 get 0. 1 times 1 you get 1. 2 times 2 you get 4. 3 times 3. 4 times 4. 5 times 5. Then odd numbers. Odd numbers are the numbers that when you divide them by 2, you get a remainder as 1 or any fraction. So the first odd number is 1. If you divide 1 by 2, you get a half. That is an odd number. Then 3, then 5, then 7, then 9, then 11, then 13, then 15, and so forth. Those are the odd numbers. Okay, I'm Smart Ugandan on YouTube, and follow me for more lessons. And next lesson we're going to have even numbers, triangular numbers, rectangular numbers, prime numbers, and